For this course, we will be using Microsoft SQL Server 2017 Express Edition. This version is free. Whatever you will learn in this version will also apply to other versions as well. In order to download it, go on Google or Bing and search for SQL Server Express 2017, and you will find the link to download this edition. So go ahead and click on SQL Server 2017 Express Edition. On this page, click on Download Now, and SQL Server is getting downloaded. Once the download is complete, open it, and you will see a window to install this version. Go ahead and click on Basic. This will install everything that you need. Accept the terms. Make sure you have the right directory. I'm going to leave it as default and click on Install. Once the installation is complete, you will get a bunch of information that shows you where the files are. Next, you need to do is install the Ssms, which is the SQL Server Management Studio. This is where you will be writing your SQL queries and all the manipulation. So far, what you have done is install the database, which is in the back end. And Ssms is the front end that you will use to manipulate your data and interact with the database. So go ahead and click on Install Ssms. It'll open up another window. Go ahead and scroll down and click on the latest version of Ssms. Click on Run. Once the installation is done, you will be required to restart your computer. So go ahead and click on Restart. Before you click on Restart, make sure everything else that you have going is saved. And once that's done, go ahead and click on Restart. Once the computer restarts, you will be able to see Microsoft SQL Server in your Start menu. Here is your Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Go ahead and click on it to launch Management Studio. When prompted to enter the server name and authentication, leave it as it is. This is your default connectivity if you're connecting to the server that we just installed. If you have credentials to connect to another server, let's say your IT team has provided you the username, password, and the server name, then you will enter it here. Once done, click on Connect, and you will be taken to the interface that we will use throughout this course.